showing you guys how to make a microbit program. So today I will showing you how to make a program with a small device called a microbit, and let's just go along together. So let's start it. First, the first you have to the first thing you have to type, and you have to go to the website. It's called microbit MakeCode. Um, MakeCode microbit. That one. So I have already, but I'll just show you with you guys. So microbit MakeCode. So something like that. And then when you go to Google, you just press BBC microbit, and then you get to this page, which will bring you here. So now this is your home page, and you've seen I have done some programs already, which are pretty nice. And you can also import them and do anything. So we have some tutorials here. Today we're going to do something easy, and we're also going to get some instructions side by side, so with like a tutorial. So today we're going to do a compass, which I've already done there, but I want to show you guys how to do it. So let's just go to the compass. It's down at the bottom, like right here in the tools. So you click on the compass, and then you have some options: blocks, Python, and JavaScript. Now you want to do blocks, well, I'm doing blocks because it's easy and simple, because we're doing a simple thing today. So let's press the blocks. Yes, we're doing a tutorial. And this brings you here. If you have never been on this page, you will see your blocks. These are not all of them, but these are what you need for this program. So like that. So the first thing you need, so here's the instructions, or if you just wanted to make it simple, you can press this little handy hint button, which says what to do. So for the first thing, it's saying remove the OnStar blocks. I'll remove it. You grab it and then you delete it. And by the way, you can also do this side by side as me, okay? Side by side as me, sorry. So the second thing you want to do, you want to go to variables and make a variable called degrees. That's it. Now you press OK. And then you have multiple options. Then you put the set degrees to 0. And then you change your 0 to a compass heading. And that's your first step. If you look, even it matches me. So yeah. The third step, then you have to get an if true then block, which is this first one at the top here. And then you want to get this block, which is greater than less than sign. And then you want to go to variables and then get this degree sign. And then you want to match it up here. Don't get too confused if you put it on the wrong side. It's okay. So you put it on the first one. You put it right there. There we go. You're done. Now you put the 0 to 45 degrees. Now you have to go to, let's just see what we have done. So that's correct. Now what we have to do, you have to go to basic and then get the show string hello block. And then you put this to and you put it to north. But you don't put it to north like the word. You just do a short form N. That's it. So once you're done that, you press next. Now what you have to do, you have this, right? So now you have to press this plus button, which is very tiny. You just press it, you get another one. And if you press it again, this becomes this. That's what we need. Else if, and then what our code is going to be inside the space. Now what we do is we -1, because we already have that. We need that. And this is a trick to learn, because it's the easiest way to do it. And now we have to go to logic. Let me just see what. Okay, you have to go to logic, and then get the same block, the greater than sign, and then we put this to 135 degrees, and then you put the 0, which is the remaining. You put it inside, so you put the degrees there, which look like this. Now you go to basics and put another show string hello block. Well, show string. That's the example that they gave. And then you put east because we're going clockwise, so that's why. You put capital E, not small, because we know. And if you see closely, you might just see we're going north, east, and then we're gonna go south and then west. So, and also we're going 90 degrees per square. So for the next one, it has to be more than 135, which will be 225, I think. So we've done that. Now we have to press. We've done the step. Now, now we're saying you just check your mini right here. And I forgot to tell about you about this. There's like a mini what you should look like, and then like this, and then what you do is you. So you're saying go to simulate, rotate the MakeCode logo, which is this, to just simulate changes in the compass headings. So now, if I do north, it shows north easily. If I do east, it shows east, which is pretty much exact because we have 94 degrees angle. But if you show south, which is supposed to be south, we don't know because we have not done it yet. Let me place it back. Because we have not done it yet. So let's just go to the next steps. Excuse me. And yeah, I was right. 225 was the next one. So yeah. Now we again here. Then we go again, press this, and then press it again. So we have the blank space. Now this is the trick. You -1, and then you just go 1, which is very easy. And then what you do is you get a logic block with the same thing, exact same thing. You get a degree and you put it. Oops. Yeah, sometimes it happens with that. You just have to try to match it up. There we go. And now you put it 225, 225, 225, and then you get the basic, and then you drag it up here, and then you put south because you are going clockwise again, but not capital. You have to put it um capital. So next now it's gonna be 315. So we just do the exact steps again. And by the way, see if you don't have your space on your screen, try to scroll down. Right here, you can see the buttons to zoom in and zoom out. If you press this, you zoom out. So I need to zoom out because I ran out of space. Okay, so then next thing, if you press this and then do it again, then yeah, and then we. And by the way, instead of just going to your blocks and coming the same thing, you could just repeat it. So you could just do duplicate. So the same block, for example, if I'm doing logic, and if I double click my screen with 2 fingers, I can see duplicate. Now if I duplicate it, I'll get the same thing. It's way easier instead of just getting one by one at the same time. But now we have the 225 the same. So now what we have to do, we have to change this to 315 because you're doing 225 plus 90, which will give you 315. And then again, if you just duplicate it, it's very easy. For show string, you could put this for west and west, okay? And then yeah, that's this 7th step. The last step, sorry. Yeah, the last step. If now read this. If none of these conditions return true, then the micro:bit must be pointing north again. Display and on the micro:bit. So now what we have to do is now we don't need this part. Now we just do this and then there we go. That's it. Okay? and then we get a show string. I'm not going to duplicate it again. I put it there and then change this to north because it's saying if you, and you don't need to do this if you want to do it. If your micro:bit doesn't point north, then try to display again so it like rapidly continue. Now we're done with our now you're done with your very own compass. Now a micro:bit is like a small device which you should have home, and then you plug it into your laptop or you're using. So I'm using MacBook Air. So I plugged it in. So I will plug it in, and then download it right here. And then once you've downloaded, try to transfer the file, the program inside your micro:bit, and there we go. It's just simple. And yeah, see if you want to test it out first, and then put in the transaction. If you can do here, press the micro:bit symbol. You won't be actually doing like the symbol. There's like you have to move it up, you have to rotate it out, but not the symbol. You have to use the whole thing to rotate around. So this is east. Let's put north, north, east, south, uh, west, and then north again. And that's it. That's it. Dead easy. So if you do finish, and then that's your program done. There we go. Yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you liked this video. Please do subscribe to my channel because I'm very low on subscribers and I want to get more subscribers. So please subscribe to my channel, and bye.